Hi everyone, it's Irina and today we're making chocolate Easter eggs. Okay, so I'm in my very happy place here amongst the chocolate. So I'm sure many of you can understand that. So we're going to make it in the Cook Expert. I've already melted it. I'm going to tell you how. All right, so basically I just got a bag of melts, but you can use any kind of block chocolates you like. Okay, so that's basically what we used, a whole packet of that. And you put it straight into the Cook Expert on 2 minutes in Expert on 2 minutes on speed 3. Okay, so it's a slow, constant turn, stirring on 90 degrees. Now, this is again the beauty of the Magimix. It actually is so precise with the temperature that you can just melt things in it. You know, if you're doing it on a stove, you have to put it in another dish to go into water, into, you know, it goes on and on. So whereas this, you throw the chocolate into the bowl, set it for 2 minutes on stir number 3 for 90, and you turn it on. So then it turns itself off. You may need to scrape the sides once or twice just to get all the chocolate in. And then it's ready for you. There it is. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so we're going to make some chocolate Easter eggs. Now I've got a couple of little forms here like that. Okay, so I tried to get the larger ones. I couldn't find them anywhere this year. So there you go. So if you know where you can get them, just share that in our links, you know, in the comments, because really I couldn't find the large Easter molds. So this is what we're using, and there's plenty of those in Kmart, I think. So the chocolate just goes straight in like so. Now you can just fill it directly in and make them solid chocolates. Okay, or you can do what I'm going to do, and I'm putting some almond flakes into it. Now you can put slithers into it, you can put whatever you like into it, you can put ganache, you can make ganache and put ganache inside of it, but just a few little surprises are always great. So, and then you just pop some more in like that. Okay. Really, that's all you need to do. And you've made your own. So there it is. And also I've got some white chocolate too. So I'm making a selection of dark milk and white chocolates. So there you go. So it's really, you can see here, oh, it's quite runny. Okay, the other one started to set already. So there you go. You can actually mix them. Why don't we mix it? Oh, that'd be fun, hey? So you can have lots of fun doing all kinds of things and swirling them. Let's do that. Let's see what happens when we swirl them. Okay. Oh. Getting all creative here. I'm swirling that chocolate. Okay, beautiful. Just swirling it. You don't want to mix it too much, otherwise you won't see the swirls. So some swirls right in there. If you take them right down to the bottom, you'll see the swirls on the other side. How much fun's that? So you can have lots of creative fun making your own chocolate Easter eggs. So easy with the Cook Expert. You just put it on for 2 minutes, bang, it's there. And these are just some that I have made and just taken out of the fridge. So once you put them in the molds, of course, you pop them in the fridge for about half an hour or so, and then they're ready to go. So aren't they beautiful? And they make lovely presents. So instead of going off and buying your Easter eggs, make some Easter eggs yourself, put them in a little bit of cellophane, make them really pretty, and you know what? People really, really appreciate it when you make it yourself. Okay, enjoy making lots of chocolate Easter eggs. Have fun, be creative, let the kids go wild. Okay, see ya.